Happy New Year's, everybody. Welcome to 2022. I apologize for the noise. There's stuff going on around here, but with this video I cannot wait to show you guys this really cool product that was given to me by Hychika. It's a 3.6 cordless screwdriver and it's a really nice kit. Let's show you what it comes with. So as you can see right behind me, well, I'm in it. It's my 1990 Audi Coupe Quattro with the 20 valve turbo 5-cylinder engine that's swapped in it. As you can tell by the condition of this car is in horrible condition, and like I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm going to fully restore the other two cars by stripping this car apart. So starting off with the interior, I'm only going to be using one tool basically. It's going to be the Hychika 3.6 cordless screwdriver. Now, it's pretty interesting what it comes with. It comes with a little mini ratchet where you could put some small bits like Phillips. You can even put other attachments on here, any kind of attachment you want. And the other part of the kit that it comes with is a charger and then these other small bits. So I'm gonna grab my Phillips, I'm gonna put it in here, push the lever down, pull up. Now my Phillips is in place. Let's go and bolt the rear seats of my car. Now what's really cool about this, that I'm able to twist it. This is in lock position. If I twist the lock and I turn it, I can use it like this as well. Oh, that was pretty easy. No force, no pressure. I don't know what the torque specs was on these seats, but it came out pretty simple. And then to put it back in the normal position, press the tab up and twist, and then you're back in the right position. So I'm going to be unscrewing the second bolt. Forward. And that's how you take off the seats in your 1990s Audi B3 chassis. Pull down and take the Phillips bit out. I'm going to place it back in place, and we're going to use a socket. Unfortunately, they don't have the socket that I need. I need a 10mm to remove some other accessories under the rear seats. But what's really cool is they have this attachment that goes in here, and you can plug in any socket you want. I'm going to use my 10mm, and we're going to go remove some of the rear seat accessories. Okay, we're going to remove the 10mm nut that's right here. Oh, wow. That nut was torqued pretty tight, but the driver got it with no problem. And now on to the next two 10mm nuts. Also, what's a neat little feature about this product is you get a flashlight at the bottom. So if you twist it the other way around and you want to get a better grappling to see what's down there. So this product right here is definitely a 10 out of 10, not only because of the price, it's very, very affordable, but the quality is amazing, and they included a bunch of extra accessories and bits, which is awesome. Here's even a warranty card. You can register for your warranty, and I'm pretty happy with this product that we were able to successfully got most of the Audi Coupe 90 interior for the most part, which is awesome. I practically did everything with one tool. Thank you so much to Hychika for this amazing product. I can't wait to try out more of your products. And if you guys want to buy the same product, the link is down in the description. And you also have access to 5 of their best tools. So go ahead down in the description below and buy this product. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in the next video. And peace out and have a good one.